Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we attempt to take the boring out of corporate filings and find the real stories hidden within. And today we have a document that might seem a bit dry at first glance, but trust me, it has some interesting bits to uncover about a company called Star Group LP. Let's dive straight into what this report is all about. Star Group, a company incorporated in Delaware, has filed a current report, basically an update on significant events. It is like a news bulletin for investors, telling them what is happening in real time. Now, what do? Star Group LP deals with common units, which are like small pieces of ownership in the company. They also have something called common unit purchase rights, which sounds intriguing, almost like a special privilege for certain unit holders. These are traded on the New York Stock Exchange, meaning a lot of people are interested in them. The main event reported here is pretty straightforward. On the 16th of October, Star Group announced its quarterly distribution. Think of a distribution as a dividend, a way for the company to share its profits with its owners, or in this case, unit holders. This distribution covers the fourth quarter that ended on the 30th of September. It is a sign that the company is doing well enough to return value to its investors. This press release is actually included as part of this filing, giving us a direct look at their announcement. When a company releases what is called a press release, it is often to announce important business updates. In this case, the press release is a key exhibit, meaning it is attached to this official filing and considered part of the information being provided. It is like getting the official words straight from the horse's mouth. The signatory on this report is Richard F. Ambury, the Chief Financial Officer. This tells us that the financial health and reporting of Star Group are being overseen at the very top. It is his signature, as authorized by the general partner, Kestrel Heat, LLC, that officially signs off on this report. This is standard practice for publicly traded partnerships like Star Group. Now, what does this all mean for us as observers? Well, the fact that they are declaring a quarterly distribution is a positive indicator. It means they are generating enough cash flow to comfortably pay their unit holders. This is the full financial picture, as this is a current report, not a detailed financial statement like a 10K or 10Q. However, it does suggest stability and profitability in their most recent quarter. Looking at the types of securities mentioned, common units and common unit purchase rights, it indicates a specific structure for how this partnership is owned and managed. The purchase rights could suggest opportunities for future investment or a mechanism to incentivize unit holders. What is missing here, and what we usually look for in deeper dives, are the actual numbers. We are not seeing revenue figures, profit margins, or debt levels in this particular filing. This is an other events report focusing on a specific announcement rather than a comprehensive financial review. However, the context of a quarterly distribution is important. It is a signal to the market that the company is performing. For investors following Star Group, this is likely a welcome piece of news, reinforcing their confidence in the company's ability to generate returns. In the broader market context, companies that consistently pay distributions tend to be mature and stable. They might not be in a high growth phase, but they are typically reliable. Star Group LP operates in a way that prioritizes returning capital to its stakeholders, which can be very attractive to certain types of investors. So, to wrap up what we've seen today, Star Group LP has officially reported a significant event, the declaration of its quarterly distribution. This is a strong signal of profitability and a commitment to rewarding its unit holders. While this filing doesn't give us a deep dive into the financials, it provides a clear positive update from the company. Our take on Star Group LP based on this filing is that they are a company focused on distributing value to its owners. This indicates a level of financial maturity and operational success. The main risk for investors here might be that this very nature of consistent distribution suggests slower growth potential compared to a company reinvesting all its profits for rapid expansion. However, for those seeking steady returns, this appears to be a company that delivers. The common unit purchase rights offer an interesting avenue for potential future engagement, though their specifics aren't detailed here. Alright, that is our quick decode of Star Group LP's latest filing. What is your take on this news? Does a quarterly distribution signal strength to you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more corporate finance insights. And don't forget to join our growing community on Discord. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we LL see you in the next decode.